In the given question, it is said that the parent birds here, the parents are one black bird and the second parent is a white bird. Now here let's denote the black color allele as B and the white color allele as W. Now here from this mating we can see the offspring produced is a gray colored offspring. So this here is an example of the incomplete dominance, as here none of the color is dominant on the offspring. So here we can say that let's denote the genotype of the black bird as capital B and the white colored bird as WW. So here the gray offspring